My name is Anna, and I am 7 years old. Normally, I'm not bothered by adults' problems, but something important must be going on since they are all the time talking about Syria and something called refugees. I don't know what this is about, but I'm hearing these words all the time on TV. Yesterday, a new boy came to my class. His name is Said, and my teachers have told us that he's from Syria. He seems to be sad all the time, and he even cries. What is he worried about?
Last evening, my parents were watching the news and I saw Said on the screen. I asked my dad how it was possible. Was he famous? He told me that Said's family had to run away from their country and, during their way, a cruel journalist kicked them. As I couldn't understand why a family had to escape from home, my parents tried to explain me the reasons.
My mom said that the Syrian civil war started in 2011 because some people didn't like the government. At the beginning, only Syrians were fighting, but then some other countries joined the conflict. She said that petrol and religion have complicated the situation, and that now it is very difficult to fix it up. This is why more than 3 million people, half of them children, have left their homes in search of a better life.
A week has gone and Said seems happier. Despite most of my classmates ignore him, I always try to bring a smile to his face. That's why I have decided to play with him in every break, and now there aren't tears in his eyes anymore. I wish I could help more people like my new friend Said. I wish everybody could.